so we're gonna just start cutting first. You know, these guys are easy. Honestly, on this one I don't have too much problems with the bonding. It's just to remove the glue, really easy, and not much problems, but it's a recall, so I'm gonna just break the clips. It's hot, so it's not a big deal. So I'm gonna hit right here because I want to avoid the contact with the bracket and the pitch wheel. Right there. Alright, and now let's move on the right side. Just right there. And I'm gonna avoid this part of the bracket right there because it's sharpening. I don't want to just break the line. So I'm gonna go right there on this part, okay? So just careful because remember it's an R9, so I'm not making anything, but right here I'm gonna avoid the contact of the wires all the way up. There you go. There you go. So we pass the area right there. Now this guy, when you go straight, that's your limit, okay? I'm gonna stop right there, straight, okay? Now you're gonna lock this guy and continue working with this one, okay? Now I'm just gonna cut the bottom. So this one we're gonna save, remember, don't damage the open cell foam, but not a big deal. A little more glue in the middle always. You see, no stress too much. Some areas the bonding coming easy, some not. Now this one, the same way on the top, when you go straight, it's time to and right there. Now here, if you want, you can switch the place of this guy, but that's too much work. It's a little heavy, so don't worry. So the only you have to do is lose this guy. So, and you only change the position, and this way let it work, and you can cut with this one. It's more easy because you're gonna just trap the clip and just break it, okay? So I'm gonna lock this guy. And that's all, okay guys? So we finished. Now remember, the next time I have a quarter glasses, I'm going to show you how to remove the quarter glasses with this guy. So we finished with this one, with the transformer. Now let's go with the Spider 4.